I'm Henry and I'll be showing you how to hang Festoon lights. They're a great way to introduce soft ambient lighting to your outdoor area. To hang Festoon lights, you'll need swages, swaging tool and wire cutter, rope thimbles, wire eye straps, metal screws, stainless steel cable wire and a drill with Phillips head bit, as well as the Festoon lights. First thing you'll need to do is measure the area where you want to hang your Festoon lights. This is probably a two-man job, so grab a friend. Grab a pencil and mark where you're going to position your wire eye strap, as this is going to form the anchor point for your lights. You can hang Festoon lights any way you'd like. Choose your design, whether it be crisscrossing through your garden or longer lengths throughout the yard, and measure up accordingly. This steel wire rope will reinforce the lights. The easiest way to measure out a large distance like that is to set your tape at 1 metre and pull that distance out 7.5 times. Add 30 centimetres at each end of your wire rope for mounting. Use the wire cutter on your Swage crimper to cut your wire rope. Now we grab our Swage and thread that through the wire rope. Create a loop and thread back through the Swage. Pull it tightly before adding your rope thimble into the loop you've created. Push up to make sure it's tight. Using your swaging tool, we're going to crimp the Swage closed to ensure the wire rope stays in place. Take your wire eye strap, thread it through the loop we've created, and now we're going to use this to create our first mounting point. Screw your steel eye straps in to create your anchoring points. We're drilling into aluminium, so we'll need a metal screw. If you're drilling into timber, you'll need a wood screw. Next up, I'm going to grab another Swage, thread that through, connect your wire rope to the wire eye strap, create a loop threading back through the Swage, add the rope thimble, and clamp using the Swage tool. Make sure you pull your wire rope nice and tight before clamping it down. Now to the fun part, hanging your lights. We're going to make sure we start with the power point connection first so we don't run out of lead. If you're using an older set of lights, it's always good to check that they work before stringing them up. We're going to string the lights up along the wire rope, securing with cable ties. Get a mate to give you a hand. Let there be light. Just by adding some Festoon lights, I've added a nice ambient atmosphere for my next Saturday night barbie.